Canon just made a huge announcement about the C70, and if you're a C70 owner like I am, you're gonna be excited about it. The EOS C70 now offers users the ability to capture cinema raw light internally to SD cards. RAW provides you with greater image quality and flexibility in post-production on top of the existing 10-bit XF AVC currently found in the EOS C70. 12-bit Cinema Raw Light LT features data rates up to 645 megabits per second. We'll talk about that a little bit later. Offering much more manageable, efficient file sizes to streamline your workflow while retaining the same benefits of RAW. Simultaneous recording of Cinema Raw Light and XF AVC proxies, I should note that there should be an asterisk right there, is also supported. Firmware available in March 2022. So I am super excited about the introduction of RAW to the C70, and it's something that I totally was not expecting. I was not expecting to do a video today at all. So this is kind of just a random video that I decided to do because I'm so excited about this announcement. But what does it mean if you own a C70? First thing it means is those pro-grade V90 cards are much more valuable now. Go buy some because you are going to be eating data like crazy. If you're used to XF AVC files and you think those files are huge data chunks, then if you're going to be switching over to RAW, you ain't seen nothing yet. The pro-grade V90 SD cards read and write at around 300 megabytes per second. So 645 megabits per second will still go onto the card. To do that math, you just kind of divide by 8, and that math, 645 divided by 8, is right around 81 megabytes per second. So there is still plenty of space, plenty of bandwidth to do RAW recording on the V90 cards. Now, the other caveat that I was talking about is the XF AVC proxies. C70 owners are used to 10-bit XF AVC files. If you're going to be doing XF AVC proxies while shooting RAW, you can only shoot those XF AVC files at 8 bits. But that's not a huge deal breaker to me because you're getting 2 extra bits of detail in the RAW files. So, you know, take it or leave it, but I think that is an awesome thing. I love that they are putting all of this stuff in the C70. I was not expecting them to ever do that because by doing this, I think they just made the C200 obsolete. I mean, if you're a C200 owner, what do you think about this update? Because having RAW was kind of the only benefit to me. I don't know. Am I missing something? RAW was kind of the only benefit to having a C200, but now that the C70 has RAW, I don't see anybody buying a C200 anymore. Did Canon just cannibalize themselves? I'm not sure. Let me know what you think if you're a C200 user. Now, am I gonna start using RAW for these kind of videos? Absolutely not. It's just too much data. This is a controlled environment. Log 2 works perfectly for this situation. I've even got a color grade that I always do when I use this setup, and it just works. So using RAW for this is just way overkill for me. In fact, I've been thinking about going down to H.265 files because XFAVC can even be a little bit of overkill. But going out and getting B-roll, shooting into the sun, high dynamic range types of things, shooting feature films, shooting documentaries, I'm totally gonna use the RAW features, just so much more flexibility. Look, I came from shooting on a Canon 80D, shooting 8-bit files, to shooting on the C70 with 10-bit files, and the difference is just night and day. Like, so much flexibility in color grading. But now going from 10-bit to 12-bit, I'm excited to see how much more I can do with that. So I'm excited about it. Hope you're excited about it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did Canon just cannibalize themselves? Are you excited about the RAW features coming to the C70? Let me know. Peace out.